Good morning and welcome to the Learning Center at East Central College. My name is Rafael Maurice. I'm an English specialist here at the Learning Center. And today I want to show you some of the basics of MLA formatting. So as you can see, we have an open Word document before us. And the first thing I want to do is get my font set to MLA Standards. And as you can see, it's Calibri 11 right now. What I want to do is change that to Times New Roman 12 font. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And I want to scroll down. We have our list of fonts here. I want to scroll down and find Times New Roman. Should be coming up soon. And there it is. I'm going to click on that. We want it set to regular. And we want it at 12-point size. After that, I want to set this as my default because this is a template for future MLA papers. So I'll click Set as a Default. And then I want to go ahead and click on All Documents based on the normal.m template. Okay. And as you can see up here, it's been set to Times New Roman 12. Next, I want to work on my spacing and my paragraph. So I'm going to hover over here and go ahead and click this here. And as you can see, we have line spacing at single and 8-point here. We want to lower that to 0. And we want to set this to double. And again, we're going to set this as our default. And again, we're going to have all documents based on the normal.m template. Click OK. So next, I want to go ahead and insert my last name and the corresponding page numbers as we go along. That is required in MLA. So I click Insert. Move the mouse over to page number. Click on that once. And you're going to hover over top of page. And I like to use plain number 3. Click on that. And as you can see here, we have our page number. And I'm going to go ahead and type my last name, Maurice, with 1 space. There we go. And to get out of this, we go ahead and go below the line there and double click on the document. And as you can see, Maurice 1 is there and the corresponding page numbers will follow. So next I'm going to put 4 elements in that are required by MLA. The first is my name. And my professor's name, let's just say Professor Smith. Course name. We'll just say English 101. And today's date, which you want the 8th of August, 2019. And those are MLA requirements, and there they are, and that's how they stand. I'm going to go ahead and hit Return, and now I want to go ahead and put the title to the piece. What you want to do is take your mouse, and instead of left align, you want to hit center align. We don't want our title in italics, nor do we want it bold. We just want it in the standard font, so we'll go ahead and type and that's exactly how you want it to look, the full title of the essay. As always, consult with your professor or instructor and see what they would like, how they would like the paper formatted. That's always a good rule of thumb. Next, I'm going to hit Return. And as you can see, the cursor is still centered. So before I begin to type, I'm going to go ahead and realign it to the left. And I would hit Tab for my first paragraph and begin typing. So now I want to show the last element of an MLA paper, and that's the works cited page. I'm going to go ahead and go down a couple. And just to illustrate, you can see it's Maurice 2, and we'll go ahead and go down one more, and we'll start our works cited page, which will say Maurice 3. Maurice 3. The next thing we want to do is go ahead and go back to our handy dandy paragraph button here, paragraph settings. We're going to click that. I want you to notice the special item here. What you want to do is click on that and click Hanging. And you do not want to set this as your default, but you want to go ahead and click OK after that. And next, we want to go ahead and center this, the title work cited if you have one work, or works cited plural if you have 2 or more. We're going to go ahead and center that. And let's assume I'd be typing more than one, so we'll say works cited. We'll hit return. And again, we want to align left after this. And I'll put one entry in, but let's assume I have more since it says works cited. And there you have an entry. And those are essentially the basic elements of MLA. In the next segment, I will be showing you how to do a proper works cited page in and of itself, and how to cite various things that you'll be using in your journey in the humanities. We want to thank you for joining us today at the Learning Center, and we hope you have a successful and wonderful academic year. Thank you.